up, guys? Boo617, welcome back to the channel. So guess what? Today I was working, minding my own business, and I got a call from where? The shop that has my motorcycle. And they say, hey, my guy, your bike is ready. Just come by and pick it up whenever you can. Excited, right? Problem. The shop closes at 7. I work until 5:30. It is now 5:23. I got out a few minutes earlier. But the shop is in Peabody, which is 10 minutes from where I work, and I live in Boston. So now I am rushing to Boston, which is 25 to 30 minutes away from where I work, to pick up my helmet, to pick up my friend that's gonna drive my Jeep back, and hopefully I have enough time to do all that. So right now I'm rushing to Boston, picking up my boy, picking up my helmet, and then rushing back to Peabody, which is, I wanna say, 30 to 35 minutes away. Wish me luck, guys. Godspeed. Oh, we rushing. But still staying in the speed limit. Actually, I'm 10 miles over the speed limit. We out. You know what's the completely crazy thing about this whole situation? Is that I had a part list of things I wanted to do to the build of this bike, right? Just a bunch of stuff I wanted to do. And I'm literally getting every single one of those things done in one bang and for completely free because of what happened with the bike, that the car hit me. So what am I getting on the bike? Extra, right? So I got the Cat Delete. I got my ECU flashed, so it's tuned. What else? I got my pedals powder coated. I got the license plate eliminator kit with the integrated tail light with the integrated signals. I also got the gas tank cover painted as well. All that for free. It was all covered. Oh, and not to mention, I got my chain redone. I got a new front tire. And obviously all the parts that were actually originally damaged from the incident. So it was a blessing in disguise. Even though I was stressed out the first time, I mean, it turned out great. I'm not gonna complain. I got all that done for free. If you guys don't know what actually happened to me or happened to my bike, you could check this out. That's a whole video on what happened that day. All in all, it's a crazy situation because I was literally about to spend the money to get these parts. It was gonna be over $2,000 to get all the parts, get them done, and I'm getting it because of what happened to the bike. The insurance is taking care of everything. So I'm excited, I'm happy. I'm on my way to get it now. I'm about to pick up my boy. He's driving back the Jeep. Where he at? Oh, he's across the street. Wait a minute. Hurry up, boy. Alright, guys, so we're here. Rake Likes Motorsports, and she's finally back. Ooh. So what did they do? Check this out. New frame sliders. Vortex frame sliders. That was damaged. The kickstand was done, brand new. They powder coated all the pegs. They powder coated, like I said, the gas cap. What else? They put these brand new. They put the new tail light. That is sick. When the license plate bracket down there. But look at that tail light though, bro. That is sick. And, of course, the Cat Delete. Oh man, she's gonna purr. Something about this tail light that is sick.